What will Brits sound like in 2066? In 50 years, keyboards will have become obsolete. Technological advances are simplifying how we communicate. In 2015, an emoji was even entered into the Oxford Dictionary. In London, we already have a new dialect called Multicultural London English.
TH will disappear, so think will become think, and yod dropping may continue, making the word beauty booty. In Liverpool, keich could become cheich, emphasising the ch sound, and five will become five. In Newcastle, there may be a blend with northern dialects. Meek will become make, and butter will become butter. This is also likely to happen in Birmingham, seeing singer become singer and home become home. Manchester may become Manchester and happy turn to happy. In Glasgow, words like bampot and clarty may disappear along with some R's and L's, so hurt may be hurt and Paul may be Paul.
HSBC, who commissioned this report, are currently rolling out Voice ID to 15 million users. Their researchers say that by 2066, most of the technology in our homes and at work will be voice activated with a voice print.